Now, student, our fourth question of first exercise is if A, B, and C are 3 points on A line such that AB equal 5 centimeter, BC equal 3 centimeter, AC equal 8 centimeter, then which one of them lie between the other two? Now here 3 points A, B and C of one line are given to us. Under it AB is of 5 centimeter, BC equal 3 centimeter and AC is of 8 centimeter. Now we need to answer that which one of them lie between the other two, means which point will be in between of other two. For this first we will draw a line and it is AB of 5 centimeter by using ruler. Now we will start from 0. Now student, I am drawing a bigger line because if I will draw it smaller then it will be difficult to see it properly on board. Okay. Now this is our line AB. In your notebook you will draw it properly, exact 5 centimeter by using your ruler. Now our next line is BC. Okay. That line we will draw from point B. Here AC equal 8 centimeter, AB measure 5 centimeter and BC measures 3 centimeter. If we add these two lines, then it will be equals to AC. So it is AC equal AB plus BC, and by putting the value you can see 8 equal 5 plus 3. So it is 8 equal 8. That means length of AC is equals to the sum of the length of AB and BC. Now by placing the ruler on point B, we are drawing BC. Okay. So it is of 3 centimeter. So here BC is of 3 centimeter and AC is of 8 centimeter. Now here we can see that at one side there is a point A and another side there is a point C and point B lies in between. So what we will write? It will be B lies between A and C. This was our question number 4. Now let us move to the next question, and it is verify whether D is the midpoint of AZ. Here one line AG is given to us, some number and letters are marked on it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, A, B, C, D, E, F and G. Now here we have to verify that point D is a midpoint of line AG. If we see generally, then AD is equals to 4 centimeter. But it is not, since point A is marked on number 1. Okay. So AD actually it is of 3 unit. AD equal 4 unit minus 1 unit. So we will subtract this 1 unit from 4 unit. Okay. It is 3 centimeter or unit. In the same way, we will measure the length from D to G. So DG equal 7 unit minus, and point D there is 4 units, so 4 unit we will subtract. After subtracting 4 unit from 7 unit, it is 3 unit. DG is also of 3 unit. Both are of 3 unit. Then AD is equals to DG. Since AD and DG are of equal length, therefore point D is the middle point of AG. So D is the midpoint of of AG. So this was our question number 5. Now let us move to question number 6. And it is, if B is the midpoint of AC and C is the midpoint of BD, where ABCD lie on a straight line, say why AB is equals to CD. Now student, here we have one straight line, and on that line A, B, C and D, these 4 points are marked. Under it, B is the midpoint of AC and C is the midpoint of BD. And we have to tell that why AB is equals to CD. Suppose we have one line L. Now we will mark point A, B, C and D on it. Draw line L. A, B, C, D. Mark point A, B, C and D. Now what is given to us in the question? B is the midpoint of AC. Since B is the midpoint of AC, therefore AB equal BC. Okay, so that we will write AB equal BC. Other thing given in the question is C is the midpoint of BD. Therefore, it will be BC equal CD. That we will write B to D. Under it, C is the midpoint of BD. So, therefore, BC equal CD. Now, what we can see here, AB equals to BC and BC equals to CD. One is our equation 1 and another is equation 2. AB equal BC and same this BC is equals to CD. Now it is clear that AB equal CD. So it is proved that AB equals CD. So this was our question number 6. Okay, student, if you have any doubt that you can ask. Okay.